Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a really simple, easy, quick eye look with the Milani Bold Obsessions palette. We haven't used this one in a while and I have a lot to do today, so we're just going to get her done really quick. I'm going to start off with my Essence Brighten Up, not Brighten Up, I Love Color Intensifying Eye Base. And I'm just going to move this around with my sponge. Get it all blended in really good. Now we're going to go in with our the lightest color in the palette, which is this kind of a pale pink. Super pale kind of pink. And put this all over that base that I just put on. Just to set that base so nothing gets stuck to it. Now we're going to go in with the color, this color that I obviously love because it's already hit pan, this one right here in the corner. And I'm going to put that in the crease. Actually, I'm going to put it in for the transition. I've noticed my eye started sagging right here. I really need plastic surgery. But for now, we're just going to darken that up so it doesn't show up as much. See when I go like that? See how it's hanging over? I don't like that. Pull this up nice and high into the outer corner, halfway across the lid, most of the way across the lid. Now I'm going to go in with a darker brown, this one right here. You see it's the second one in the row, right there. And I'm going to put that in the crease, using the same brush I was using, because I really want to darken up that sag right there. And this is basically going the same place as the last one, only not quite as high. And actually I'm going to pull it in here too. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush and make sure there's no fallout, because I'm going really fast. And then I'm going to go in with this gold color, I think. Yeah, I'm going to go in with this gold color. See, this is, it's the color right there. And I'm going to put that on the center of my lid with my finger. I don't want to get it too close to the inner corner, because then that will make that saggy part show up even more. And now I'm going to really quickly take a, I'll just use this one. I was going to use a smudgy brush, but I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to go in with that darker brown that I used on top and just put it underneath and pull up this corner. I'm looking down, aren't I? Sorry. I don't know why I was looking down. All right, let's see. I got some glitter on my face from the gold. I haven't used this palette in a while, and I forgot that. It does have fallout. But that's okay, I don't mind glitter on my face. So now I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go into the lighter, the transition color, and just blend that in a little bit. That's good. All right, enough shadows. Now we're going to go in with our, oh, I still didn't get that skinny liner replaced. So let's see. We will use the, actually, we'll use the Judy Hadid because I think it's the same thing. So I will list the skinny liner because this one's not available, but I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. So I'm going to push line with it. And since I'm in a hurry, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of this on top and then just pull it up because I don't have time to do a bunch of stuff. And I only put it halfway. I did get a little on the up on this, but that was just from pushing it through. I'm going to take my flat brush now and I'm going to go in and I'm going to smudge that. I'm spreading it out between the lashes and pulling it up. Especially in the outer half, because I really want to lift that eye up. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to put on my mascara and lips and I will be back. Okay guys, I am back. This hair is wild. I have put on some mascara. I used my Lancome, no, this is the Lancome Sills Booster and the Laura Geller Lash Gloss. And I also put on lipstick. It's the Color Rich Shine from L'Oreal. And this is the color Enamel Red. So that's it for our quick and easy eye. I am out the door. I have errands to run. Probably going to put this in a ponytail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. Share this on all your social media too. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!